Begin at the top of the mushroom cap. Start stitching with red beads. After every 5 or 6 beads, add one beige bead to create the appearance of spots. Finish each row by attaching a sequin at the end for a clean edge. To move to the next row, use an empty stitch to travel back to about halfway along the previous row. Secure the thread with a small stitch before turning back. Continue stitching the next row in the same pattern. Red beads with a beige bead placing after every 5 or 6 beads. And finish with a sequin at the end. Keep in mind that the mushroom cap is a triangular in shape. The base will require more rows, where just few of them will reach the top. Repeat the process until the entire cap is completed. For the mushroom stem, begin the stitching with size 11 beads, placing them horizontally to form 2 complete rows. On the third row, stitch half the row with a size 15 and half with size 11. And fill in the rest with size 15 beads. For the lower part of the stem, switch to vertical stitching using the size 15 beads. Continue until you are about 1.5 centimeters from the bottom. At this point, transition to size 11 beige beads and incorporate silver beads of the same size into the mix. Continue stitching in the same manner until the entire mushroom stem is complete. Begin stitching the mouse at the head, using size 15 silver beads. Work in a circular pattern to follow the shape. For the eyes and nose, use a single bead, size 11. For the inner part of the ear and the tail, use size 11 gray beads to add a subtle contrast.